Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Today it's war day number 630. 630 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 15th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and we have a Medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. Yeah. 7 extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here 2 stars, we have a 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with a 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start with this one, the Medium Sudoku. Yeah, a lot of people like these kind of puzzles, the medium classical puzzle. And this will be number, I believe, 7450, I believe. Is this correct? Let me check. Yeah, 7450. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Should be at 2 stars, yeah. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzles has always 26 printed digits. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. Alright. Let me see. How about the number. Come on. Which number can I pick? Yeah. Blackout. 5. How about the 3? Need a 3 here. Yeah. Having troubles. 1. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1, okay. 1. Cannot continue with 1 now, need to wait. How about the number. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. Yeah. 5 missing numbers. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3. Alright, need a 3 here, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. This box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Well. Okay, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 place level 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. Here the 1, here the 1. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4, 5, 6. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers. Oh, 4, 5, 6. Well, here should be 4, 5, 6. Okay, not there. Okay, 4, 5, 6. So the other 3 missing numbers, one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay, 8, 8. Need a 6, and I need a 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Okay, 7, 9, need a 5 here. In this row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. Well, we have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5. There's the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. Need a 8, 8, 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Let me mark here, need 8. Now I cannot continue with 8. Need a 6, need a 7, need a 9. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 4, 6, 7. So here could be 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. Need a 9. 9, 9, 9. Okay, need a 5 here. 2, 2, 2. Okay, 7, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 9, 2, and the 6. 2 and the 6 here. 2 and the 6. 7, 9. 2 and 6. Well, come on, having troubles. 7. Need a 9 here. Ay, come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Well, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, need a 2, need a 1. Need a 1 here. And I need the 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for 4, could be here, could be there. Wow, need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 9, could be here, could be there. 9, 9, 9, well, 4, 5, need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for 5, could be here, could be there. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. Okay. Here. Need a 1. 1, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. This is a 3. Okay, 7, 7, 7. Come on. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. The other 3 should be 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, 4. Ay. These 2 should be 6 and 9. Ay. 6 and 9. Having troubles. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 5. No, 6, 5, and 2. No. 6, 9, and 2. 6, 9, and 2. 2. Come on. No 7 here. 7. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need an 8 there. 7 and a 9. 9. No 9 here. It means, yeah, in this big square with 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Okay. 9 could be here. So we have a 9 here. This can be a 9. 4, 6, 7, 9, 5, and a 2. We have a 9 here. 2 or a 5 here. Wow. 5, 9, and a, well, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there, and could be the 6 here also. 4, 6, 7. How about these 3? 9, 4, and the 6. 9, 4, and the 6. 9, 4. Here can be 4. 4 and the 6. Having troubles. 4. We have a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this row. We have 4 in that row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. Wow. 4, 5, need a 2 here. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2. Here can be 4. Yeah, here should be in one of these. Should be a 4. Need a 4 there. Here can be a 2. The 2 should be here. Here can be 2. These 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there then. Must be a hidden number. I think this box can be a 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Can be a 6. Could be a 7. Can be an 8. Can be 9. Yes, hidden number 7. The box should be a 7 here. So we have 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only place left for the 7 should be here. So the other 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Here I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left here, the 6 and the 9 in the second column, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 9 goes there. So I've eliminated the 1 and the 9, so the 1 and the 9 goes here as a pair. Well, it can be a 9 here because we have a double 9 in this column. So no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Well. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4, we have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square. For number, the 1 and the 2 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes with 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Here 1 box left in the second row for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 in this row, last row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 19 minutes. Wow. Definitely at 2 stars, maybe 3 stars. Having troubles in the beginning. You need to find the beginning, the start, and this is a hidden number 7. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.